Let's continue the third series of this video. So in this workflow I add a text to speech model that can, if I send a voice message, it can send also a voice message. It can do the work and tell the output in the voice message. You can see the workflow, and this is for voice message, and this is for text, and this is for do the work, and this is for return as voice message. I integrate ElevenLabs, and this is another, so I can show you. Let's try. I simply click on execute workflow, and I simply send a voice message. Let's send this same message. So I simply type tell send email to my friend to invite my birthday party to all of my friend. Time will be 9:30 p.m. and date will be 7 September 2026. Now I send it. Now see what the chatbot will do the work. So it is also not sending it. Let's see the output what it give us. Let's see the output. I think it is solo. Here I test it and tell you. This is the message. I just text him and this give us output. Let's listen.
Consider your friend officially invited to the grand celebration, sir. If they ask how they got so lucky, just tell them it was all in your impeccable taste.
And this is the message that will send by.
So you've taken a keen interest in our feline friends, have you?
Let's pause this and go to the video and see the output. And this is now working. Here you can see. Now this is getting an input and do the work. Here you can see it can convert it audio to text. Now use AI agent and do the work and send Gmail. This is for Google and internet search. This is for Hacker News search, and this is Wikipedia and Google Calendar. And this use Gmail function. Here you can see I have sent invitation to your friend for your birthday party. I even can provide a Gmail address. Let's see what it can return.
Splendid. Just remember, sir, the key to a successful party is the right blend of champagne and dignified conversation, or at the very least, a well-placed piñata.
Let's see.
Consider your friend officially invited to the grand celebration, sir.
Let's see it can do the work. Let's go to my workflow and see if this send a Gmail or not. So what is the Gmail I use? I literally don't know. Let's see. Actually I already tried for this email before. Let's see, this will be 9 simp. Let's open this one in browser and show you here this one, and let's see it can who can invite it, this AI agent. Let's go to send, and it is now opening. This is I automate in my previous video for business email labeling. Here you can see it can invite it to send my friend. Oh sorry, it can send email to on this address friend@example.com. Here you can see, but if I provide a email address and correct information, it can also send that. Here you can see you can do the work with by your voice. You simply need to build, or you simply do the more work. You simply connect more to like Google Calendar, Airtable, Google Sheet. That the tool that you use in your daily life, like CRM. Go high level, simply connect it. Let's show you how can I add a chart text to speech model. Simply go to my previous. Here this much I do with my previous video. Let's continue from here. Simply click on what happened next, and we also use AI agent for this, or OpenAI. I simply use basic LLMs. This app don't have, I can explain you in next video. LLM chainers. So the difference between LLM chain and AI agent is simple. AI agent have a memory function, tool function, but it doesn't have, and do the same work, but it doesn't have any memory. It can't store anything, or it don't have any tool function. That is the major difference. Let's connect the model. We simply use, if you also use OpenRouter or ChatGPT in like, or you can also install Olama in your, if you use in local or cloud. I simply use OpenAI for this one, and I select GPT 4 mini for this one, and I choose this account and simply cross this. Now simply need to write a prompt for this one. Let's write a prompt. You can also use my prompt. Here you can get our idea. I simply copy paste. I'll simply explain you. Here you can see, you are Jarvis, the sophisticated quickly written AI assistance. You can read it or a screenshot of this, and here you can see, and I simply provide the output. Let's copy this and go back and simply paste it here and define below and simply paste it. We don't need to add to any external like this, or we can also click on execute the step to see the output. So I don't have any output, so what can it give us output? I don't know. Let's see. It is taking time, a lot of time. Let's wait and see the output. Make sure you save all the part. Let's pause and click on execute workflow. I go to back and simply send. Let's send another message. Can you define a car from Wikipedia? Let's it now go to our agent, and it can go to this process, and it can go to ChatGPT. Then it use Wikipedia to search a car, and this provide output, and this is for basic LLMs and for speech for our text. You simply go to Wikipedia and provide the use ChatGPT to get output. So ChatGPT doesn't have any direct access with Wikipedia, but it have. And what is the what give? Please check your parameter. I don't know what is the your data it give. Model not allowed with n8n AI created. Let's use another AI model. Forget that of ChatGPT. Let's use OpenRouter. I like. You can use any of the model if you have top up or credit. OpenRouter provide us free model also. We can also use Queen, that I like. Let's try with Queen and see the output. Let's continue the part. And simply click on execute step and see the output. What is the output that I get from the output? So this is now executing previous node, so it has no data list. So let's provide hacker news, latest news. I think what I provide, let's see what is the output that I get. I think this gave us output. So let's continue to another part. Now time to add. So if you add another model like Claude Opus, it will work better. Now add a text to speech model. So we use STTV model or also use ElevenLabs. So ElevenLabs have inbuilt function here. We simply install the node, click on this and install the node and simply add a API key and simply click on convert text to speech and this work. Click on install and go to speech section and simply here and simply create a new credential and simply paste your API key and go back and choose a voice like anyone and simply text will be this one. Simply drag it from here to here or simply click on execute step. Now it gives us. So I have problem with the ElevenLabs doesn't work with my workflow, so I simply use STTV model to use another text to speech model. So I think ElevenLabs have any problem or I do wrong. So let's connect with the HTTP request and I simply use text to speech. So we use text to model called Unreal Speech. So let's get with text to Unreal Speech for generating voice. So let's visit Unreal Speech website. Go to Unreal Speech, and this is I can find with on Google or anything like I search, and simply sign up. Click on get a free API key. So this give around 200, I don't know, around 100k something like plus text to speech generated characters, text to speech generating completely free. Or this have also pricing cheaper than ElevenLabs, or also come with great voice. Let's continue with this account. Account dot click on continue. Click on continue. Simply open the API docs in a new tab. So it can give us free guide. Now I am in my dashboard option. Simply go to develop. Here you can see it can give us around 250 character. I also use in other time it can give us around 480 hour text to speech generating completely free. Now it can make changes. Simply copy this and go to the here API documentation. Simply copy this part, go back to our workflow, this workflow. Simply click on import from call and simply paste it. Click on import. Here you can see it can import. So we simply need to add our API key. So we simply copy our API key and go back to our workflow and simply remove this part and add our API key. Now this will be our JSON, and this will be our using JSON. I go back this URL and open this call, and we simply need to copy. Another thing, like here you can see this is the JSON. We simply need to copy this JSON and go back to our n8n and simply paste it. We simply need to remove this text. Simply remove this. And also remove. And we simply need to provide drag text in this option. Here you can see it can successfully drag text. Oh sorry, make sure it can't drag in the lower. We simply need to add text in this part. Simply paste it. Here you can see here is the part. simply click on execute a step, and now it can convert text to speech, and it will be in binary format. Here you can see. Now time to send it on Telegram. Click on search simply Telegram. Click on send a message. Click on send an audio file. And this will be what chat. We simply need to find the chat ID. So a simple way to find a chat ID, simply use this board called rows and simply send this like message /ID. Simply send it. It can provide us ID, chat ID, or you can also type in any group for this. Let's go back and simply paste it. Click on binary file, and the input will be automatically data from here to here. Don't change any name, and simply click on execute step. See if I got any error or not. If you got any error like file name type, you can also add a file like file name. So I am not getting. You can also add in ElevenLabs. You can see this is the oh god, what I can get a output. Let's open our Telegram and see the output. Oh, this is, we simply need to visit our bot, so it can give us chat with our bot. As you can see, it can give this speech.
Ah, the humble Armobile. Fascinating, isn't it? From steam-powered steeds to
Here-
electric dreams. Truly.
Here you can see it can successfully send. Now our workflow is done. If you want to this workflow, make sure you can 100 comment and 100 like in this video. Then I will pin the workflow in comment. This is the part that it can take me around 3 days to build, from idea to execution. So let's try it another time. Let's click on execute workflow, and this can run automatically. I can't even provide. I even can't provide any input, so it can work. Here you can see. Let's see where can I get error. And let's click on this. So let's click on let's send a message. Okay, what is the message that I can send? Let's find news using SERP API. Find weather in New York. Let's send it. Execute workflow and let's see the output. I think it is running now, and see the output. If I get any output for weather or not. It use SERP API to find. I think as SERP API it is not connected correctly. I need to fix it. Let's see it work or not. I am unable to current New York at this time, so it can't.
Here's what you requested, sir. The current weather in New York City remains as unpredictable as a villain's plan. Perhaps consult a weather app, or better yet, a fortune teller. Either way, I doubt it'll be any more reliable.
Let's fix with Rapid API, SERP API. What is the problem that I get? Create a new credential. Let's open our docs. And it get us everything. So I already created an account. I simply need to visit this tab. Here you can see. Let's cross and go back to this page. Simply copy this. Let's regenerate. So if you regenerate API key, it will change. I will change it again after recording this video. Click on save. Let's save it so it can't forget. Let's click on execute workflow. Let's go back and type again and same message and send it. And see the output what I get. I don't know. Now it is your SERP API. Here you can see it can successfully grab data from SERP API. Here you can see. Now it go to Telegram and provide the correct output. Let's go back to Telegram and see the output. Here you can see the current weather in New York City as following. This is the temperature, 31 Celsius. Weather prediction condition, sunny. Date and time also it can provide. Let's listen the voice.
Another fine day for, well, staying indoors and letting me handle the heat, sir. Reliable. Truly a saga of engineering perseverance.
Thanks for this in video. Let's continue for next part.